Oh, man. All right. Who's got this?
Darn it!
Oh, snap. What happened?
Alright, wait. Let's try to pull it.
No, I pulled it.
You got it.
Just pull it like. Oh!
There it is.
That's way easier. The flicking's too hard.
Yeah. Flicking a lot can go wrong.
We're so
I
bad.
did it the first try though.
Yeah, this is the first try. I think we got 1 out of 4.
There you go. You got this.
The countertops.
It's so close.
Oh my word.
Two fell off.
You know what? That's a win.
No.
I hit the top of it.
Backflip.
All of my classes except for some studies.
Why is it happening?
And I two fell
How's
off.
happening?
And I two fell
That was
off.
close.
Did you see the way it was staying together?
You were so
and it
close.
collapsed?
How's it feel to be so close, yet so far away?
It just feels like pain.
Dude!
Oh.
Let's see it. Do the backflip.
Caleb, do a front flip.
You did it. How's it feel? How's it feel after 100 tries to get it?
It feels great.
How's that feel?
Amazing.
Oh my
How's that feel?
It feels great.
Yes. Yes. That's awesome. I'm proud of you guys.
Why does it just not move?
Okay, ready, go. Is that gonna work?
Oh man. 4 out of 5. Hey, that's an 8.
I got this.
Go, Mason!
That counts. That counts.
Go, Mason! We're gonna get this on camera. It's gonna be a good one.
All right, going for it.
Dang it! That almost hit me. Oh my god, it's so up. Dang it! Oh, check them. Oh my god.
I got that.
Ooh, close.
I'm going 2.
Good try.
I was close.
Dude,
I did it.
do a backflip.
Do it,
Hurt
Mason.
myself.
Yeah, that was awesome. Got it.
Does that mean I'm like
Dude,
Hey!
how'd that feel?
Perfect.
How'd that feel?
very good? I had the pennies. I had all the pennies. 2 in a row. No, it's because he's recording. Oh, 3 in a row. I can't do a backflip though. Oh, did it? You can still. Hey,
Dude,
do a flip.
Yeah, right.
that was
Hey. No. I'm going to get No. Let me get popcorn first. Gotta flick it harder, like that.
got this.
Really?
I got this. Brady?
Wow, like a boss.
Oh, did you get it?
I got it. How'd that feel?
Good.
Satisfying?
Yes.
Ready?
One brack.
It cracked. Yes. A misflick.
4 in a row, Mr. Williams.
Good try. Dude. That's two in a row. Let's see it.
Oh, 2 for 4.
Like a boss.
Yep. Still yet to miss one.
5 for 5.
You did it. Yep. It's tricky. How'd that feel? Satisfying? That was awesome. You got this. Oh, so close. So close. Totally got this. So close. He's got this. Dude, how'd that feel? Dude, look at that.
Let's go, Madison.
You got this, Madison.
Of course, when the kids. I'm so bad at here. Here, let me.
Good try, good try.
Yeah, you have a chance. Do it again.
You got this.
Oh, Park Ryan. Why does that happen every time? Alright, it's
When you get it, it's going to be so satisfying. Here you go, Luis. Oh, good try, good try. Oh, man.
How did you flick it, Brenda? Nope.
Come on. How'd that feel? I got it. Oh, man. Come on. Close. Close.
So do I. It feels like I smoke every day.
Yes. Well done.
I did it!
I like that kitchen choice.
Dude, how'd that feel?
Oh,